As you can see, these are some of the creations that I've made. Or these are some of the ones I have left right now. I've got seven left that are completed, and I work on them every day. These are heads that I've started with. This will be a girl head. This one here is kind of like a pig. And I think this one's going to be like a duck. But whatever you can imagine, you can make. You'll notice I have numbers on mine because I'm working on different heads, more than one head at a time. So it's best to number your pieces so you don't get them mixed up. So if you do work on more than one at a time, best thing to do is to mark your pieces so you can keep them all together. These are different hands that I'm working on. They need to be they've been cut out. They need to be glued together. These are some that are done. You have like these are paws. That's a regular hand. It's just a different type. These are feet. These will be creature feet. And we'll cover these in future videos. Creature hands. We'll cover all this in future videos, step by step, to help you to create your own vent figure. We'll even cover painting. I do airbrushing and hand painting. If you don't have an airbrush, hand bodies on how to make a body. So if you find any of these tutorials helpful, please subscribe to my page. Thank you.